Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. So today we are going to solve CAT 2017 question papers lot 1. So let us begin with our question paper. So today we are going to solve the data interpretation and reasoning part, and later on we will solve the other topics. So let us start with our first question, that is question number 35. So question 35 says Healthy Bites is a fast food joint serving three items: burger, fries and ice cream. Okay, so here we are talking about a junk food shop who is serving us burgers, fries and ice cream. So it has two employees, Anish and Bani, who prepare the items ordered by the clients. Okay, so the shop has appointed two employees for serving the clients. So the preparation time is 10 minutes for a burger and 2 minutes for an order of ice cream. Okay, so if we order a burger, we need to wait for 10 minutes because a burger takes 10 minutes of preparation while an ice cream takes 2 minutes of preparation. So an employee can prepare only one of these items at a time. Okay, obviously an employee can prepare only one, he can't prepare more than one. If he prepare burger, he can't help in ice cream, or if he prepares ice cream, he can't move on to burger. So the fries are prepared in an automatic fryer which can prepare up to 3 portions of fries at a time and take 5 minutes irrespective of the number of portions. Okay, so for fries we have an automatic fryer, so we don't require any employer for that, I guess. So that automatic fryer can prepare 3 portions of fries at a time. Like if we order one, we can order one portion at a time, so it prepares 3 portions together and takes only 5 minutes to prepare that. The fryer does not need an employee to constantly attend it. So as I said, since it is an automatic fryer, it doesn't require any employee, so it can make that automatic, and we can ignore the time taken by an employee to start and stop the fryer. Okay, so we will leave the time of the employer when he starts and stops the fryer. So thus an employee can be engaged in preparing other items while the fryer is on. Okay, so once he keeps his fryer on, he can make either the burger or the ice cream. So he can be engaged in some other work while the fryer will prepare their fries. So however, fries cannot be prepared in anticipation of future orders. Okay, so here we have one more condition, that the fries cannot be prepared for future orders. Like if we have not have any orders of fries, the fries cannot be prepared. Okay, so if we get any order of fries, then only the fries will be prepared. Then Healthy Bites wishes to serve the orders as early as possible. Okay, so this shop wishes that it serves their clients as early as possible. The individual items in any order are served as and when ready. Okay, so whenever the individual order is ready, it is served as it is. However, the order is considered to be completely served only when all the items of that order are served. Okay, so once every item is served to a single client, then only the order is assumed to be complete. So here we have some data given in a table. Let's check what is it. The table below gives the orders of three clients and at the times at which they placed their orders. Okay, so here we have client number 1, client number 2 and client number 3 who gave their orders at 10 o'clock, 10:05 and 10:07. So here we have been given orders of these three clients. So let's check what do we need now. Assume that only one client's order can be processed at any given point of time. So Anish or Bani cannot start preparing a new order while a previous order is being prepared. Okay, so if they start preparing order of client 1, they cannot move on to the order of client 2. So let's check what do we need. At what time is the order placed by client 1 completely served. Okay, so we need the time when client 1 is served with his order. So as you can see here, client 1's order. Okay, so let me clear this question first. So as you can see in the table that client 1's order are 1 burger, 3 portions of fries and one order of ice cream. Here we have orders: one burger, three portions of fries, and one order of ice cream. So let's check how much time does it require. So one burger, as you can see here, requires 10 minutes. So let us write this here. Burger requires 10 minutes. Secondly, we have three portions of fries. So as you can remember, in the question we read that the fries are prepared in an automatic fryer, which can prepare three portions of fries together. That is, three portions of fries can be prepared together, and it takes 5 minutes. So the fries take 5 minutes to get ready, because the order is of three portions and the fryer machine also prepares three portions in 5 minutes. Thirdly, we have one order of ice cream. So here you can see 2 minutes of an order of ice cream. So ice cream takes 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And we have two employees here, Anish and Bani. So each employee can make a burger and the other one can make an ice cream, because the fries can be made in the automatic fryer machine, so it doesn't require any employer. So one will make burger, second one will make ice cream. So as you can see, the maximum time takes is the burger. So burger takes 10 minutes. In that 10 minutes, the ice cream and the fries will get ready. So the maximum time taken by the employer is in case of burger. Therefore they will take exactly 10 minutes to prepare the client one's order. Therefore client one gave its order at 10 o'clock. Therefore client one's order will be prepared by 10 o'clock plus 10 minutes that the burger takes, which will give us 10 of 10, that is 10 hour 10 minutes. So let's check options. Option number D matches with our answer, hence option B is the correct answer to this question. So now let's move on to our next question. Therefore the next question here is question number 36. So question 36 says, assume that only one client's order can be processed at a given point of time. So Anish and Bani cannot start preparing a new order while a previous order is being prepared. Okay, so this is exactly the same as our previous question. So the condition is same, that they can prepare only one client's food at a time and cannot start second client's food before completing first client. So let's check what do we need in our question. It says, at what time is the order placed by client 3 completely served? Okay, so we need the time when client 3's order is completely served. So as you remember, client 1's order is completed at 10:10. So let us write this here. Client 1's order is completed at 10:10, and before completing client 1's order, they can't start client 2's order. So they will start client 2's order at 10:10. Client 2, they will start the order making at 10:10. So let's check what is the order of client 2. Here we have two portions of fries and one order of ice cream. So as you remember, two portions of fries, it can be made in 5 minutes in automatic fryer, which makes three portions of fries irrespective, but the time is irrespective of the number of portions. So even if we require two portions of fries, it will take 5 minutes. So here we will have 5 minutes, and this one is one order of ice cream. So here we have 2 minutes for ice cream, so this will require 2 minutes. Therefore as you can see, minimum 5 minutes is required to complete the work. Therefore this client 2's order will be completed by 10:10 plus 5 minutes, that is 10:15. So client 2's order will be completed by 10:15. Now let's check client 3's order. So here we have client 3. So client 3's order will start at 10:15, and let's check client 3's order. So client 3's order contains one burger and one portion of fries. So from the question here, you remember 10 minutes for a burger. So this burger will take 10 minutes, and one portion of fries, here we have 5 minutes. So this will take 5 minutes. Therefore one employee will take minimum 10 minutes to complete the burger. So we need exactly 10 minutes for client 3's order. Therefore this 10:15 plus more 10 minutes we have, so this will give 10:25. Therefore client 3's order will be completed by 10:25. So let's check the options here. So option number C matches with our answer, that is 10:25. Therefore correct answer to this question is option number C. So let's move on to our next question, that is question number 37. So question 37 says, suppose the employees are allowed to process multiple orders at a time. Okay, so in this question there is something different, that the employees can process multiple orders at a time. In previous questions we had that the employers can process only one order at a time, but here we have multiple orders at a time, but the preference would be to finish orders of clients who placed their orders earlier. Okay, so once the order is placed by an client, they will the employers will try to finish off the order first come first serve basis. That is, very first the client one's order will be completed, then client two, and so on. So let's check the question here. It says, at what time is the order placed by client 2 completely served? Okay, so we need to serve client 1 and then client 2, and we need to find the time when client 2 was served. So since the employees can serve the process the both the orders together, that is multiple orders, so we will add up these two orders, that is client 1 and client 2. So the total order will be one burger, that is of client 1. Here we have 3 portions of rice, here we have 2 portions of rice, therefore total will be 5 portions of rice. 5 portions of rice. And lastly we have here 1 order of ice cream and 1 order of ice cream, therefore total is 2 orders of ice cream. So basically this is our total order we need to complete. So let's check how much time will they require. So let us draw one chart here where we will have 2 different employees working together for 2 orders. So here we will have our first employee, that is Anish, our second employee, that is Bani. So let us assume that Anish is making the burger. So Anish is making the burger, therefore he will require 10 minutes for it. Since we have been given that 10 minutes for a burger, therefore Anish will take 10 minutes. And since he is starting at 10 a.m. with sorry, not am, we have been given only 10, we don't know whether it is am or pm or anything, so let this be 10. So he is starting his work at 10, so he will end his work at 10:10. So this is his duration of first order. And suppose Bani is preparing the fries first, so we need 3 portions of fries, takes 5 minutes of time from the automatic fryer. So this, okay, so the fryer is an automatic machine, therefore it doesn't require any employee. So we don't require any employee for fries, but we need to calculate the total time required for the fryer machine. Since we have 5 portions and the fryer machine can make 3 portions at a time, therefore we need to run the fryer machine twice. So it takes 5 minutes each time, therefore fryer machine requires total running twice requires 5 into 2, that is 10 minutes. So fryer machine requires 10 minutes. Okay, and the last order is 2 orders of ice cream, so each order takes 2 minutes, therefore 2 orders will take 4 minutes for Bani. So here we have ice cream, Bani works on ice cream and takes 4 minutes, that is she starts her work at 10 and ends her work at 10:04. And this fryer machine will take, here we have ended this fryer machine, let fryer machine be here, fryer machine. So this fryer machine will start at 10 and will finish its work at 10:10. So let's check what are the extreme points. So here we have 10:10, here we have 10:04, and here we have 10:10. Therefore seeing this we can say that by 10:10 our total work will be done, that is we can serve both the client 1 and client 2. So this is what we needed. So now let's check the options in our question. So it was question number 37 here. So option number A matches with our answer, that is 10:10. So now let's proceed to our next question, that is question number 38. So question 38 says, suppose the employees are allowed to process multiple orders at a time. Okay, so exactly as our previous questions, this question also allows the employers to process multiple orders at a time, but the preference would be to finish orders of clients who placed their orders earlier. Okay, so in our previous question also we had to give preference to the clients who came first. So this question is similar. So now let's check what do we need to provide to this question. So also assume that the fourth client came in only at 10:35. Okay, so here comes the fourth client, and it is said that he came in only at 10:35. So this means that he cannot come in before 10:35. Therefore, their fourth client came in at exactly 10:35. So between 10 and 10:30, how many minutes is exactly one of the employees idle? Okay, so we have been given a range here, that is 10 o'clock till 10:30. We have 30 minutes range. We have 30 minutes range. In this range, we need to find how many minutes is exactly one of the employees idle. Okay, so this exactly one is the hotkey here, which says that we need to find when only the Anish or the Bani is free, that is they are idle. So let's check here from 10 to 10:30 whether the Anish is idle or the Bani is idle. So we need to check that. So for that, let us draw a chart for both of them so that we can easily interpret our result. So here we have our chart. This side let be Anish, this side be Bani. So our first order here says 1 burger, 3 portions of rice and 1 order of ice cream. So 1 burger, so here we will have 1 burger. So let Anish prepare 1 burger. It doesn't matter whether Anish prepares burger or Bani prepares burger, because there is no discrimination among both the employees. We need the total time the employees are individually idle. So let Anish make the burger. So Anish is making the burger, therefore he is starting at 10 and he is finishing his work at 10:10. So this is Anish's first job, and here we have that the Bani is making, okay, so 3 portions of rice will automatically be made in automatic fryer, so we don't need any employee for that, so let us ignore that part. And here we have 1 order of ice cream, so Bani will make the ice cream. Here we have ice cream which requires 2 minutes. Ice cream requires 2 minutes, so Bani will start her work at 10 and will finish her work at 10:02. So after 10:02, our next order comes at 10:05. So our next order comes at 10:05. Therefore, Bani doesn't work for 10:02 till 10:05. Bani is ideal for 10:02. Her work is finished by 10:02 and she doesn't have any other work to do. So she is idle for 10:02 till 10:05 until the next order comes. Next order comes at 10:05 by client 2. So up till then she is free. So here we have Bani is free for 3 minutes. So this is our first part. Bani is free for 3 minutes. So let's proceed. So after second client comes, he gives the orders of 2 portions of rice. So again we have rice which is made in automatic fryer, so we will ignore that part. And his second order is 1 order of ice cream. So again Bani gets an order of ice cream which take 2 minutes. So she will start her work as soon as the order comes, that is at 10:05, and after working for 2 minutes she will complete her work by 10:07. So her work is completed by 10:07. Here her work is completed by 10:02. She makes a 3 minutes of break. Then her work is again completed by 10:07. So as you can see here, again at 10:07 client 3 comes. Exactly at 10:07 client 3 comes and gives the order of 1 burger and 1 portion of rice. So 1 portion of rice means again automatic fryer, so we don't need any employee for that. So let us ignore that part and we are left with only 1 burger. So as you can see, Bani's work is completed by 10:07, but Anish's work is completed by 10:10. So the burger's order will be taken by Bani. So she will start her work at 10:07, and after 10 minutes working, here we have 10 minutes of for a burger. So after 10 minutes working, her work will be over by this will be 10:17. That is from 10:07 till 10:17. So she is free after 10:17. So all her work is done by 10:17. But here we can see that all our orders are complete, so no order is left. Therefore Anish will be free after 10:10. Here we have 10, from 10 he starts his work and he completes his work by 10:10. Therefore after 10:10 Anish is free. So Anish is free. So we will check up till when we will take Anish free. So we will take here up till 10:17. Why, you can ask? Because after 10:17 Bani is also free. So we only need any one of them is free. Here as you can see in our question, let's go to the question. Here we have, as I said, this is the hotkey which says exactly one of them employees idle. So we can't take when both the employees are idle. So after 10:17 both the employees are idle. After 10:17 both the employees are idle. As you can see that Anish is idle by 10:10, but Bani still works up till 10:17. Therefore both of them gets togetherly idle by after 10:17. So after 10:10 Anish is free up till 10:17. Therefore that is 7 minutes. So here we have Anish is idle for 7 minutes. Here we have Bani is idle for 3 minutes. Therefore total is 7 plus 3, which is equal to 10 minutes. Therefore togetherly both are individually idle for 10 minutes. So let's check the options. So option number B matches with our answer. Hence option B is the correct answer to this question. So I will like to end this video here. You will find solutions to the further questions in our next video.